Hi, I'm Jen from House One, and today I'm showing how to remove baseboards. Whether you're removing baseboards to replace flooring, paint a wall, or update the baseboards themselves, following these easy steps will save you both time and money. Step 1. Score a line along the baseboard and any quarter-round molding to help it release more easily from each other and any woodwork or drywall above. The joint may have been caulked or even just painted over several times. Skipping this step can pull large pieces of paint on the adjacent surface and create the need for additional patchwork. Step 2. Choose a starting point. If possible, start at an outside corner where it's easier to open the joint, versus an inside corner where the miters can lock the pieces more tightly in place. Step 3. Using a hammer, tap the blade of a thin putty knife behind the molding, starting with any quarter-round trim installed in front of the baseboards, to start working it loose. Step 4. Once you've created a gap, slide the end of a pry bar into the opening to work it free, sliding a block behind the bar to create a fulcrum and to prevent it from marring the wood or wall above. Repeat this process to free the main baseboard molding, using a pry bar or hammer supported by a block to open the gap. If your floors were installed in front of the baseboards, you may also need to pry the baseboards up slightly to get them free. Once you get behind a section, work your way down the board and around the room. And step 5, remove any leftover nails with a hammer, using a block to support it near the base of the drywall. I hope this information was helpful. For more easy woodworking projects and tutorials, visit the House One channel on thisoldhouse.com. I'm Jen Largis, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.